So finally, after 9 years of a makeshift kitchen, our kitchen is pretty much done. There's a little bit of finish work they got to do, but it's in. Here's our kitchen island, and then there's the cabinets against the wall with a refrigerator and sink. These are cherry, a natural cherry. This granite is called Typhoon River Bordeaux, and my wife chose this because she thought it would play well against the floors and the cabinets. It's got some kind of it's got some red in there, very light brown, a lot of red that kind of plays off the floors. And this kitchen island is probably 5 feet by 9 feet. It's huge. Got a 6-burner gas cooktop, and then we got an oven in the other room there. So initially we just painted the drywall for the backsplash, but this is a shot of the glass tile that I'm going to put up in another month or so. I'm going to strip off that drywall, put on a 1/4-inch Hardy backer board, and I'll put this glass tile. I'm going to do this myself. And then we got a 10-inch deep 18 by 32 sink. Pretty cool looking faucet. Here's a shot of the double oven. This is a Bosch, which so far we like really well. The bottom oven is a normal electric conventional oven. The top oven can do both convection heating, and it's a microwave too. It can do either one. Then we got some counter area there where we can always leave our mixer out, and food processor. Again, these are the natural cherry cabinets. So here's that wall I extended, that pony wall. Here's the washer dryer. This is the back room. We got more pantry space, some more cabinets above there, and then to the left, more cabinets against that wall there, and then right here, more further left, there's another set of cabinets coming off the wall. So we've got a lot of storage space. So this kitchen was $38,000. Probably one of the more expensive items in our house. But after 9 years, it's really nice to have a real kitchen. A lot of space, a lot of counter space. And these cabinets are just beautiful. Natural cherry.